What are your opposite traits that make you complement each other?
So what similarities do you have that makes you guys the perfect couple? And what are your opposite traits? So kanina diba sinabing si sweet, James is spicy. What else? What are the other traits na iba pero bagay?
We're both adventurous. We're very adventurous. We have a lot of things in simple. Honestly, like we love
Beautiful, photography.
photography, we love it.
Ganda na ng mga Instagram feed nyo. You are my Instagram lady. And you with the 3 pictures na nagiging isang malaking picture. Ano ka ba na panay, guys? But seriously, the effort and the time that it takes. So you guys, your similarities, you both love to travel, you love adventure, you both love photography. Now what are the, the more different traits, but feel mo na hinahanap mo sa isa't isa? Diba?
First morning person.
Morning person. Yay! Then siya ano? Oh, so how do you make that work? If morning person noted, sige nga. So kung may morning person and may night person, kita tayo sa afternoon.
No. I get it, situation. Pisa na rin. Iinit muna. And like, it takes a while to warm up. So, alternate na sila ng lambing. Sa umaga, si Nadine nalalambing, morning person siya. Sa gabi, bawal si James.
Parang all day.
Yeah.
May love at
I'm really upset at my life. Really upset at my life. Okay, thank you very much, darling. Si Lindy, I think James, we have questions.